Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an out-of-office auto reply on the Gmail mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the Gmail app, and then go down and select the settings gear button. Go ahead and select your email in here. Scroll down. Underneath vacation responder, go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead and set up when you want the vacation to take effect, as well as the subject and message that will be sent out. Toggle this to the right to turn that on to activate it. And then you just would fill in the information as necessary or applicable. If you only want to send these messages to people that are in your contact list, you can check mark that option down here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.